can you tell us more about your shortlisted proposal for the Royal Docks competition?
Sure. This is a competition that is launched by the Landscape Institute and the EcoBuild. They're looking for innovative design proposals that will integrate water-sensitive urban design solutions and also green infrastructure into the Royal Docks. So our proposal was called Water Boulevards, and it's essentially a linear water park that actually weaves the surrounding communities of the Royal Docks together, ultimately creating a series of many more floating villages. And what the proposal does, it actually promotes the three pillars of sustainability. So if we talk about the economic aspect, the water boulevards actually create a very tranquil atmosphere, so they actually provide for very premium retail frontages, and that actually increases the footfall for the retail, and that then increases the demand for retail, which increases jobs. And also the cost savings from water recycling and the productive gardens is also an economic benefit. And when we talk about environmental sustainability, this linear park essentially is like an aquatic boulevard. So it actually stores and collects rainwater, which is then used by the adjacent buildings. So there's a lot of environmental features within this park, and also it promotes biodiversity. And people can also use allotments and also fish in this park. We talking about socially, well, the fact that they actually weave and connect people with places, that's a huge social benefit to the region. And I think for the Royal Docks, what our proposal will do is actually will educate people about green infrastructure, because it's really bringing them close to what's happening, you know, with water and also water-sensitive design.
Is this a bespoke solution for the Royal Docks, or can this be adapted to be used anywhere in the UK?
I'd like to think that it can be adapted, because essentially at the end of the day it is a linear park. We've tried to make it bespoke for this proposal, but I think that it can be used, and it can be used especially now that there's a high rate of flooding in the UK. I think our proposal will actually show people what they can do with creative solutions in order to mitigate flooding.
And finally, what can people learn from your project?
Well, I'd like to think that it can raise awareness about how we should be managing and storing water, and also how we should reuse water for the longer term. I also like to think that it will also show people that, you know, simple solutions can really transform neglected communities into vibrant and livable communities. So that's really the main thing that I hope people will learn from this project.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.